Welcome back to our Dynamic Builder series. This time, we'll be diving into additional nodes featured in the Dynamic Training Builder. To start simple, we'll be connecting some buttons to variables so that when you click on a button, the variable will either increment or decrement its value based on that button. Open the Dynamic Training Builder. Select the node triggered event we used in the last video and attach it to one of the buttons. Now we will use the increment number variable response. You'll notice the variable box is empty because we need to create a new variable. You can either add a variable from the node itself or open the Edit Variables window. Click on Add New Variable and name it Counter. Set its initial value to 1. Connect the nodes and close the window. Next, we need a variable writer to display the counter changes. From the VR effects, create a variable writer. Press N and snap the variable writer onto the screen. Connect the variable to see the results. To see how things look so far, open the VR viewer. You will notice that the numbers always increase without a limit. We need to set a limit due to the restricted options. Drag the branch and expression response. The branch and expression response lets you write conditions for your variables. We want to limit the counter to only increase if it is less than 5. After completing the expression, you can test it as well. We will use the same nodes for the left button to decrease the variable. In the next video, we will learn about some more simple responses to apply in the Dynamic Builder.